Got him. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Got one, baby. Nice one. Not the biggest guys, but got them on the BFS rod. There you go. Beautiful fish, guys. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's a nice one. Rim Lake, guys. Rim Lake. Just let them go. All right. Looks like we gotta go really slow. He took it basically like on the drop. So let's do that. I'm using the black and blue right now. Man, he tore that thing up. Oh, he took it. Oh, dang it. Still trying to eat it. I wonder what that was. See if it'll take this. Hopefully he's still there. I think I got him. Got him. Oh. What is it, a bass? Bass. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. It's a fighter, too. Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. There you go, guys. Hey Siri, record. Very healthy bass. Nice one. Seems to be the spot, guys. I think it is. Guys, there's some big ones in here. I had to cut the line on the other one, so hopefully this one is good to go. Got him. Oh yeah. Another one, guys. Another fighter. Another fighter. Oh, little one, but whew. We're on it, guys. We're on it. We are on it. It's another one. These guys like hungry. All right, here's a third one. Look at that, beautiful. Just let him go. Just let him go. All right, let's get some more. Let's get some more. I know there's more here. Come on. My line's getting stuck everywhere. Might need to put something else on here. These things are not cooperating with me. Tear that one up. Let's put another one, guys. Oh man, I'm in a rush because I know they're all right here right now. They're feeding. There was one big one over there earlier. I know he's still there. Just waiting for me to catch him. It's got to be a maybe an 8-pounder. Oh, something's coming. Something's coming. Yep, it's a pickerel. So you got it. Ah, damn. It's a pickerel. Snapped our line, guys. Alright, guys, we're back in business. Oh, there's a bass. Nice bass. These guys are fighters, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Whew. There's got to be more here, though. We're gonna get them. It's like a nice area. Water is a little bit cool, though. Still about, I mean, it's not bad. I would say about 50, maybe 55. So right on the money. It's not bad. They're getting fat though, so hopefully we get a nice one, like a bigger one. I think the other one was like almost 3 pounds, but on something bigger. I wasn't even gonna go out today. And I was like, you know what? It's time to go. It's time to go out. It's time to catch some fish. Hopefully we get more. I have to go back to the spot where we caught them at. Yep. Pickerel. Little baby one. Just let him go. No bite, nothing on this side. Oh. Got him. It's a bass. Oh, nice one, nice one. There's 2 of them that was over there. Man. They both went at it. That was a pickerel at first. When I set the hook, I thought I missed it. Then I started to feel them tug again. Oh, look at that. There you go, guys. Nice size though, nice size. These are about 16. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Another beautiful one at the corner. Just let them go, and hopefully we can get some more, guys. There you go. Oh, to get it. Oh man, dang pickerel. What the? Oh man. Oh. Get him. Oh. Man, they're a fighter. Little baby one. Well, not a baby one. Still a nice size. Look at that. And they're heavy though. They fight pretty good. I keep on thinking they're like, you know, bigger. Alright, let's let them go, guys. Keep on getting them. Actually, I'm gonna take a break, guys. Got a drink some water. Let them, you know, come back over there. Oh, got them on this. So that's that. All right, guys, that's it. It's time to go. One last cast. Man, that was a good day. Caught a few, so you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Sarge Underwater. Peace out.